Welcome to my YouTube channel Kadam Academy friend. Under this mechanical vibration, various numericals I am going to cover. This is the Kadam Academy. You have to watch the various numericals on the single degree of freedom. Under this the free damp vibration, this example I will read it. Two slabs here, see these two slabs which is work as an isolator. This is a first slab of natural rubber hatch line, okay, this slabs, okay, natural rubber, and second one is the felt, are kept between this solid mass of 20 kg and this is the part. This is shown, this is the or surface, okay. See, this is the surface area. In between the surface and this mass, two rubber and felt are kept, and they are having their stiffness for this rubber and felt. For rubber stiffness, the mass of 20 kg and the rubber stiffness is 3000 Newton per meter, and its viscous damping coefficient for rubber is 10 Newton second per meter. Similarly, for flat, the K value and C value are given 12,000 and 330. Okay, so equivalent viscous damping coefficient they are given. So what we have to find out? We have to determine the WD, means the damp and natural frequency in vertical direction when it will vibrate in a vertical vibration, and neglect the mass of isolator. Its mass of these isolators we have to neglect. For rubber and this felt we have to neglect. Okay, so friends, so how to solve this? To solve this, what is the given data? M is given to you. Okay, this Kr, for this Kr is given to you, this Kf is given to you, and this Cr and Cf are given to you. This is the mathematical representation for this, to solve this natural frequency, to get the value of natural frequency. This to calculate the undamped natural frequency of this machine, this rubber here in this diagram, this rubber is represented by here by spring. Its rubber having its shown the spring stiffness for rubber Kr and its equivalent viscous damping coefficient. Okay, see here, viscous damping coefficient for this rubber is 10, that is Cr, that is Cr is 100. Okay, here it is written 100, this is 3000. So these values are given to you. Okay, so friend, here this felt with stiffness Kf and Cf values are given 330 and 12,000. So the mathematically represented this natural rubber and this felt in this diagram is shown here, and these springs are in series, and this similarly dampers also in series. So by using this series, for spring in series and for damper in series, we will solve this numerical. So what will happen in this? For spring in series, we will solve for first spring in series. The K equivalent we have to find out. The spring stiffness equivalent is equal to 1 by Kr plus 1 by this Kf. This is the formula for this spring in series. So this is 1 by Kf. So what will happen then? Is equal to 1 upon 3000 plus 1 upon 12,000. This solving this 1 upon K equivalent, which is equal to, you will get value 4.1667 into 10 raised to minus 4 Newton per meter, and reciprocal of this one, you get the value of K equivalent. This K equivalent is here, value of K equivalent becomes 2400 Newton per meter. So this is the K equivalent. It is shown after solving this K equivalent we have found out. This K equivalent is we have found out. Similarly, these dampers are in series, so we have to solve for the damper here, and we have to find out the C equivalent. Similarly, we have to write the formula C equivalent is equal to here 1 upon CR plus 1 upon CF. The values of CR and CF are given. I'll write here 1 upon 100 plus 1 upon 330. So 1 upon C equivalent is become, get just solving this 0.1303 Newton. What is the unit for this spring stiffness? Newton per meter, but for this damper, Newton second per meter. Okay, just solving this one, C equivalent. This is the 1 upon C equivalent. So C equivalent becomes value, I will write here. Solving on this calculator, 76.7442 Newton second per meter. The friend here. So this is the value for this C equivalent, and this K equivalent we have calculated. Now we can find out from this formula the natural frequency. This natural frequency we can find out by using this formula omega n. Omega n is equal to we can find out from this formula. So here I will write find the natural frequency omega n. So I will write here this omega n becomes under root of K equivalent by m. So omega n becomes K equivalent, already we will find out this 24 upon m is how much? M is given in this numerical, m is 20 kg. Slab of 20, this 20 kg is given to you. So I'll write here in this numerical. Okay. From this we can find out this omega n is equal to 10.9544 radian per second. This is the omega n, 10.9544 radian per second. Similarly, we can calculate the value of this one. Why it is required to calculate? Because we find out the damp frequency. To find out the damp frequency, we can put this value of C equivalent in this one and K equivalent, and we will get this zeta equivalent, which is equal to, I will write the values of 76.7442 upon 2 into under root of K equivalent is 2400 into m is how much? 20. So value of this zeta you get 0.17551. This is the value of zeta equivalent, and this value, once we got the value, this by using the formula that omega d, that damp frequency we have to find out. How to find out? Omega n into under root of 1 minus zeta square. So this you can get it. This value of omega n is 10.9544 into 1 minus zeta is how much? 0.17551 square. So this value will give the value of this damp frequency. Okay, damp frequency I will write here value 10.7855 radian per second. So this is the answer for this numerical, that is the damp frequency, and this is the natural frequency. So friend, if you are not like my channel, please subscribe, like these videos and my channel. Thank you. What are the outcomes of this video of mathematical modeling for this all the vibrating system? Write down 3 outcomes, and friend, here you always learn by self-assessment only, and you have to subscribe my channel Kadam Academy. If you are not subscribed, Please subscribe it.